You searched how to buy shares of INDI Semiconductor Inc. INDI Semiconductor Inc. designs semiconductor power management solutions and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker INDI, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy stocks. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds to your account before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker INDI to find INDI Semiconductor Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is the correct INDI Semiconductor Inc. listing. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker INDI. Tap Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, check the order type and fees, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will normally execute when trading resumes, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio under Holdings. A link to the example platform is available in the video description if you want to explore eToro.